cannot believe it. This is amazing.
Welcome to Seoul. Where you go?
Hello, Hongdae please. Our hotel is in Hongdae.
Ah, Hongdae. Very good area. Young people, music, food.
Look at those lights. Everything is so colorful. And the music. K-pop is everywhere. Look at the river. All the lights in the water. It is like a painting. So beautiful. This is Hongdae. It is midnight and everyone is awake. The city never sleeps, just like they said. I am so tired from the flight. But I love this place. We can sleep later. Let us explore first. Look, a Korean convenience store. I want to see everything. Me too. Let's go in. What is this? Triangle kimbap? And banana milk. I always wanted to try Korean banana milk. Thank you. Enjoy your snacks. 감사합니다. Thank you. My first Korean food. At midnight, on the street. This banana milk is the best thing I have ever had.
Welcome, room 305. Here's your key card.
Thank you. We are very, very tired. I am so tired, but so happy. Lena, tomorrow we have the whole city. Hongdae, Myeongdong, food. Seoul, we are really here. 72 hours starts now. Wake up, Lena! Our first day in Seoul! 5 more minutes, please. Hongdae looks so different in the morning. So cute. I love the murals. Everything is colorful. Okay, we need line 2 to Myeongdong. The subway map is very confusing. So many lines. Press English, then Myeongdong 2 tickets. How much? 1,301? That is so cheap. The subway is so clean and so modern. Look at those glass doors. Very safe. Wait, Sophia, is this the right train? I think so. Let me check the map. Oh no, Lena, we are on the wrong train. We are going the opposite way? We are completely lost. I have no idea where we are. It's the funniest thing for we are lost in Seoul.
Excuse me. You need help? Where you want to go?
Yes, please. We need to go to Myeongdong.
Ah, Myeongdong. Take line 4. This way. I show you.
Thank you so much. You saved us. Korean people are so kind. Wow, look at all these shops and the food. I can smell something delicious. Where is it? Wastow.
Tteokbokki, very delicious. You try.
Yes, please. 2 servings. It is spicy. Very spicy. So delicious. I love it. Give me more. Look at the cheese. It stretches. This is the best corn dog in the world. Oh my, the inside is warm, sweet sugar. Heaven. I want 3 more of these. They are incredible. Look at those moves. I want to dance like that. Lena, that is not how they did it. I am a K-pop star now. Look at me. This one is very popular. Honey and rice mass. So cute. The packaging has a little bear. Ramen by the Han River. This is a dream. Best meal of the trip. Cup noodles by the river. Lena, I am so happy we came here together. Me too. Best decision ever. No hands! Look, Sophia, I am flying! Lena, be careful! You will fall! Day 1 complete, and I am so full! My stomach cannot eat anymore! It is raining today. Rain in Seoul. Maybe it will be romantic? Rain makes Seoul look so different, so quiet. I love the sound of rain on my umbrella. These houses are 600 years old, traditional Korean houses. The rooftops are so beautiful in the rain. This is the most beautiful alley I have ever seen. I know, right? It feels like stepping back in time. Exactly, I had to get a photo. Old Korea in front, new Korea behind. 600 years of history. Right? Here. This tea house is so peaceful. I love it here. Korean green tea, so warm, so calming. These rice cakes are so pretty, almost too pretty to eat.
But I will eat them anyway.
This bookstore is so cozy. I want to stay here forever.
Look, a book about Korean food history.
My coffee has a bear face. Too cute to drink.
Mine has a heart. Korean cafes are the best.
Sophia, can I ask you something? Of course. What is it? Do you ever feel scared about the future? Sometimes. Yes, why do you ask? I feel like life is moving so fast. We are almost 30. I know, but we are here, right now, together. No matter what happens, we will always have this trip. Promise? Korean barbecue on a rooftop in the rain. This is literally the best thing I have ever eaten. Wrap the meat in lettuce, add sauce, gar. This is the best meal of my entire life.
Cheers to Seoul, to friendship.
To 72 hours, the best 72 hours. Rain at night makes Seoul even more beautiful.
The colors in the puddles, like a painting.
Our little convenience store, our special place. Tomorrow's our last day. I do not want to leave. What is your biggest dream, Lena? To travel the whole world with my best friend. What is your dream, Sophia? To be brave, to try new things, like this trip. Thank you for coming with me, Sophia.
Thank you for asking me.
Day 2 done. One more day left. I will write everything. I have 300 photos already. Best trip ever. The sun is back! Perfect for our last day. We need to make every moment count today.
Bibimbap, mix everything together, please.
It is so colorful, like a rainbow in a bowl.
Oh my god, this is incredible. Best breakfast ever. I need this recipe. We are going up to Seoul Tower,
The most famous place.
Look how big Seoul is from up here.
I can see the Han River and our hotel area.
There it is, Seoul Tower. Wow, it's amazing. We're almost there. I can't wait to go up. Me too. This is the best. Thousands of love locks, so many wishes. Look, this one says friends forever, just like us. I can see everything. The whole city. This is why we came. For moments like this. Best selfie of the whole trip. Best selfie of my whole life. The sunset over Seoul. I will never forget this, never. Lena, this trip changed me. It changed me too. I do not want to leave tomorrow.
Me neither. Can we just stay?
Same stools, same food, same us, but different. We are different now. You know what I learned this trip?
What?
The best part of travel is not the place. It is who you travel with. 72 hours. That is all we had. But it felt like a lifetime. The best lifetime. Time to go home. I left a piece of my heart in Seoul.
Did you enjoy Seoul?
We loved it.
It was so glad. We will come back one day. We'd love that.
Goodbye, Hongdae. Goodbye, Seoul. Thank you, Seoul. For everything. 72 hours is not enough for Seoul. We need 72 more. Remember when we got lost on the subway? That was the funniest moment of the whole trip. Look, Seoul is getting smaller, but the memories are getting bigger. "72 hours, one city, two best friends, and memories that will last forever."